Hey guys, I'm Mick. Welcome back to my channel MYKK2083. Today I'm making my first video and first vlog with my GoPro Hero10 Black. And as I told you guys in my previous video that I'm gonna make the first video in the 5.3K 60 frame per second and in super view, the highest configuration in this camera. And then I'm gonna upload this video directly from my camera, from my phone, so no editing or no music or probably no filter as well in this video. So highest configuration and fully raw video, first video from my GoPro Hero10 Black. So yeah, it's gonna be also like a one-shot video, and now like no cuts, because if I cut then I have to edit it. So I don't want to edit it. I just want to upload it directly from my phone, and I want to make it a one-shot video, one-shot vlog. So yeah, so I'm on my rooftop, my home rooftop, and you guys can see my neighborhood behind me, and that's where this is where I live in Dhaka city, Bangladesh. Let's have a look in my neighborhood from my rooftop. I live on the 6th floor. Nice weather, cloud, and almost sunset time. I live on the north side of Dhaka city. Oh, and I'm also using my GoPro Volta. Flights are all on. Every few hours plane flies. Because I live near the Dhaka International Airport, Shah Jalal International Airport, Dhaka city. So yeah, I'm using my GoPro Volta tripod grip, and also battery, like the GoPro Volta that I bought and unboxed before a few days ago. I bought it from eBay, but I got it delivered a few days ago. You guys can go and check out the unboxing video of the GoPro Volta. So I'm using this one, and without the cable connected with the camera, I'm using the Bluetooth connectivity. So because my battery is full charged, so I don't want to plug it on with the extra battery, with the Volta battery. So yeah, I'm using in the Bluetooth mode, and it works awesome. Like you can change between the modes without doing this every time, like on and off, and seeing my hand going to the button and turning it on and off. So yeah, so it's pretty awesome. GoPro Volta and GoPro Hero10 Black pairing is a awesome like a vlogger setup they created. So yeah, it's almost 5 minutes video now, and I don't know, like I'm doing a bit of review of the camera and the GoPro Volta grip. So yeah, so hope you guys liking the video till now, and because it's a one-shot video, so I don't know what else to show you guys, because I'm on my rooftop. Let's see the plants, rooftop garden of my neighbor. This is my neighbor's rooftop garden, and this is our garden in my rooftop, but I don't know who planted all these plants. And there is also this coconut tree, coconut tree 70 feet above ground level. Rooftop gardening is everyone is doing rooftop gardening. If you guys can see, like all those buildings have rooftop gardening. It's like everyone is doing their bit to fight the global warming. Probably it helps, or maybe it doesn't, I don't know. This is probably the lift machine. The lift motor lives in there. And we also have solar panel, but in case if there is a load shedding or some kind of backup for so yeah, in super view it looks pretty awesome. And tomorrow loads of new travel videos are coming soon, and tomorrow I'm going out of my home city, so loads of videos gonna come, you guys are gonna see. But those videos I'll upload those videos after I will come back home, because I have to edit all those videos. But I will keep on posting shorts and like this kind of one-shot videos if I can, because Wi-Fi condition last time I was there, it wasn't good. So if the Wi-Fi connection is good, I'll probably upload good videos. But if the Wi-Fi connection isn't good, then only shorts and like one-shot small videos, and proper videos I'll upload after coming back home. So yeah, so guys, this was it. I was trying to do a review of my GoPro Hero10 Black and the GoPro Volta grip, and my first video from my GoPro Hero10 Black in the high-end configuration, 5.3K 60 frame per second, and in super view. So yeah, so hope you guys like the video. Please like and share my videos when you guys watch it, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next one. Oh no, I have to use that button, I forgot.